Good morning. It's 9:26 a.m., September the 28th, Wednesday, and the year of our Lord 2022. So, looking at the plans for today for the ES. Now, we're only a couple minutes from the open, so this video is probably going to run right into the open. No big deal because the VIX is at 33 point something last I checked. Opening in range and value. That makes for usually an environment that's not ideal. Unless you are really wide on your stops and you've got some grand idea for where ultimately things are going to go or how it's going to shake out. All right, looking at, first of all, opening in range and value. And the idea would be to, of course, the usual suspects, to sell the value area high, buy the value area low. You really want the volume and time to build up before we get to the value area high, value area low if you're just going to sell it outright. And want the market internals to be sort of neutral to mixed. Now, it is difficult to gauge it right off the open. Yesterday was a case in point. I missed a good short because the market internals were so strong. But, it just takes a lot of, it's the hierarchy of information that we need to sort out. And there's times you can put too much emphasis on the market internals, and times you can't put enough on it. And once in a while, in the right scenario, like yesterday, it's hard to say. All right, so that's okay. We need to be skilled at missing opportunities because there's another one right around the corner. Now, if we get below, if we get to the prior high day, that's going to throw us into situation number two. Again, if we aren't staying balanced, right? So we're going to look for confirmation on that. So that'll throw us into this one that's been on deck for the last couple of days, and that is to break to the upside and take back, close gaps, take out single prints, all that stuff. A lot of fuel for the fire to move on the upside. Then if we get to the downside, kind of similar to the last couple of days, we can take out the prior low a day. We look at for longs at pre-identified inflection points, or we get continuation. Now, I looked way back. I had to go back to December 21st, continuous contract. I don't know how much importance it's going to have. What those levels mean to anybody anymore, or what kind of rollover contracts are still in the market in that area. I don't know. We'll see. But I went back and did my due diligence and put it on the chart anyway. You got to look left and right. How do you like that? Got to look left and right, just like you're pulling out of an intersection. Okay, so that's the drill. Let's take a look here. About to open in less than a minute. We've got, let's see where we are, actually. All right, we're still in range and value. The overnight here, the order flow right now has been to the upside. I would suggest, and I've seen this happen, that the 80% rule is in play in counting the overnight. If you count the overnight, a period potentially is going to get to the value area high. Let me move this up here. I mean, why not? We're right here. So would I want to, here it is up here, would I want to sell it right off the bat? One step at a time. So we were one time framing up in the overnight, okay, in the order flow. So one time framing up the last couple hours. And will that continue? We'll see. So we've got some inflection points along the way. I actually had marked out this swing high and K period. Not sure how relevant that is going to be. And right here, I've marked off as potential reversal points where it's 3 wide. There's the merge profile brings a VPOC together. Actually, let's merge this one here too with the overnight. All right, that changed that TPOC. I said VPOC, I meant TPOC. Nevertheless, it's 3 wide there. You can see the volume is very thin here. And same up here, very thin. And that can be a place where it reverses. This one, because of this divot right here, this volume ledge, this might be a better place. Again, this is a place that once you get above it, it might become support. And again, the destination will be to the value area high. Now, if we can't reach the value area high in the next couple hours, and I would be watching for it to fall out of bed to the downside if we haven't already. Okay, don't know. Anyway, that's the market. We got a week low right now. It's on the cash close of, the runoff period close here at 61 quarter. Just took that out. Now we're on the settle, and that's a weak low now. So if we reverse from there, it's likely to come back through. Still weak. You know, we haven't really done much here. All right, so we'll see what happens, and make a great day. Talk to you later. Oh, one more thing. I forgot. This is important. So if we get down below yesterday's low, okay, we've got a lot of swing lows here to watch out for, where it might reverse. You know, the volume tapers off here. But if we get all the way down, value area low has moved up. If we get down here and we get below the overnight low even, we have some areas back from 1220. You've got too wide overnight inventory. So this is the overnight low from 1220. This has not been taken out ever in all that time, 9 months. It's pregnant. Anyway, so this is an area of low volume, and I think it's single prints here even. So these are some inflection points to be aware of, and we'll see what happens. All right, make a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye.